Yeah, what's up, traders? I welcome you guys to my channel. If this is your first time coming to my channel, you are welcome, and kindly subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to check up on me. All right, I appreciate that. So in my previous video, I created a video on how you can create a trading robot using AI, and I got a request. Okay, the subscriber said, "Good evening. Is it possible to share a prompt script that can combine with support and resistance, Cobra breakout strategy?" So now I won't just be giving out the prompt scripts. I'll be creating the trading robot. Okay, we are going to be creating the trading robot and see if it's actually a good trading strategy to trade with. And also I'll be giving out this trading robot plus the source file, the executable file, the prompt I'll be giving out for free. So ensure you watch this video to the end and you can get to know how you can get this trading robot for free. So without wasting much of our time, let's go. Let's create this trading robot.
Alright guys, so the first thing you need to do before proceeding into creating this trading robot is knowing what this strategy is all about. So from what I can understand here, okay, it's a breakout, okay, a trend breakout strategy. Okay, you can see that it says a breakout system that uses 6-period exponential moving average. You can see that here, but then we are not using the moving average, we are making use of support and resistance. So we are combining support and resistance together to this strategy to ensure that it works. So now what we are going to do next is get our prompts. Okay, we already know what this strategy is all about. We have an idea now. So I've written out my prompt. Okay, so this is my prompt. You can see it, trading robot creation prompt. Okay, this is the strategy logic. Okay, market consolidation. The market has to consolidate. Okay, there has to be low volatility, because when the market is consolidating, obviously there's no volume in the market, there's low volatility. Okay, and then this is the support and resistance filter. Okay, automatically detect support and resistance level using recent swing highs and swing lows. Okay, so this is the buy entry condition. Price breaks and closes above the consolidation high. So the price has to break above the consolidation high or the consolidation low if it's for a sell entry. Okay, it has to be a strong body. It's not just a candle that is not, carrying momentum. So the candle has to carry momentum. You understand? So this is basically what the prompt is all about. So what we're going to do now, we are going to copy this prompt and then take it to Cloud AI. Okay, Cloud AI. So let's go to our Cloud AI. In case if you are wondering how we got here, I've created a video previously on my channel where I explain how you can create your trading robot with AI without any coding experience. So you can do it to watch the video. Okay, you can do it to watch the video, and so you can understand how we got here. So now let's hit our prompt. So this is our prompt. Then we click on enter. So now we are going to wait. Okay, we are going to wait and see what the AI is going to generate for us. Okay, all right, so the AI is done generating the codes. So here is this. Here is a Cobra breakout EA for MT5. So here's a summary of what's built in. Okay, so it says it scans for last number of candles for tight range and small bodies with low ATR. So it scans for when the market is ranging, when there's no volume in the market. Okay, that's what it means. It says it draws a visual box around the detected zone. So what this means is once it detects a zone, it's going to draw a box to signify or identify that consolidation zone. Okay, say auto reset when zone is broken or invalidated. Okay, so this is the support and resistance settings. Automatically maps swing highs and lows, resistance and swing lows. Okay, this is the entry logic. Breakout candle must close. Okay, breakout candle must close beyond the consolidation range. Nice. So it has risk management. Okay, 3 stop loss mode, opposite range, edge, nearest support and resistance, or fixed peep. So now what this means is there are 3 stop loss modes, okay, to this trading robot. Either the stop loss is set at the opposite range, which is if we are buying now, the stop loss should be set at the low of the range, or if we are selling, the stop loss will be set at the high of the range. or we can make use of nearest support and resistance. So if you are buying, you can set the stop loss at the nearest support zone, and if you are selling, you can set the stop loss at the nearest resistance zone, or we can try to use a fixed pip. So that's a good one. And now here's a filter. Okay, it has a session filter. Okay, London session or New York session, you can try to use anyone. Also, it has a maximum trade per day. Okay, that's a good one. That's a good one. So I'll be giving this trading robot out for free. All you need to do is to send me a DM on WhatsApp with my number on the screen, and I'm going to send you the prompts, the executable file, and the source file, so you can start to make use of it or modify it to your taste. But then let's copy. Okay, let's copy our code. Then we'll move to our editor. Okay. Now, so this is our editor now. So all we need to do is to come here to new, click on new, click on Expert Advisor Generate, then click on next. Okay, let's make use of the name. Let's say Cobra out plus support and resistance. Okay, so if you are still wondering how we got here, ensure you watch the previous video I created on my channel. You understand how we got here. So now we're going to paste code we copied. Okay, so this is the code we copied. So we'll compile it. Okay, now you see we have 0 errors and 0 warnings. Now this is the thing about creating a trading robot with AI. Sometimes you might get errors, you might get warnings, and it will affect the performance of the trading robot. Sometimes you won't be able to compile. So I've created a video whereby I've explained how you can correct errors. I've taught and explained all of these things. Okay, it's easy for you to correct errors if by chance you found or you got any error while compiling. So that's a good one. So now let's test this trading robot. So all we need to do is to click on this blue icon here, and then we test. Okay, so now let's check. Okay, so we'll be testing on 30 minutes time frame. Okay, we'll be testing on gold with a $1,000 capital. Okay, so let's check. Okay, let's see the settings. So let's leave the settings the way they are. Okay, so it has a high time frame filter. Okay, we can decide to use a percentage based lot size. Okay, nice. We can decide to use a fixed lot size. Okay, use the session filter. So let's leave it the way it is, and let's test. Okay, let's test. So all you need to do to get this trading robot is you send me a DM on WhatsApp, and I'm going to send you this trading robot for free. But then let's test it and see the performance. Okay, all right, so let's begin testing. Okay, all right, so now we've taken a buy here. Okay, we've gotten a buy, and I don't know, the stop loss is kind of too close. Okay, so upon this range, we had a range here. Okay, you can see this is a range, and then we had a breakout. So it has to be a strong breakout. Okay, a candle, a healthy candle, to identify that it's truly a breakout. So we got one here, and the stop loss is too tight. I don't know why, but let's see how it goes. So that one has hit our stop loss. Nice. So we have another range here. We've taken another buy trade. You can see that. Okay, down to assist our stop loss. Hopefully they're going to recover. Let's see. We are having a bad start right now, but let's see how it goes. Nice. So you see, we have a sell here. We took a sell here. Let's see how this ends up. Not bad. We have ended up in loss. Now we've taken a buy here too again. Let's see. Okay, I think we're going to recover here. Nice. That was a good one. Okay, now I've taken a sell here too. You can see that we've taken a sell here. This is a beautiful trade, by the way. Okay, you can see that breakout. Nice. Now we've hit TP. So far we've made $25. It's not bad. Good. Let's see. We might hit a stop loss here. Nice. We've hit a stop loss here. Okay. Let's see. Okay, that's a loss also. Alright, so we've taken it by here. Let's see how it ends. Okay, now the stop loss also. So we're about to break even right now. $1,000 balance. Okay, you can see that we're about to break even. Okay, another loss. Okay, now I've taken another buy. Okay, we took 2 buy trades here. Okay, so we had a breakout around this point here. So when we had that breakout, we had another range here, and then we had another breakout. So that was the reason why we have 2 running trades. So let's see how this ends up. Oh, hopefully we can recover with these trades. Okay, nice. So we've recovered. Now we have $21 profits. Let's see. Nice. That's a good one. Okay, let's see how this ends. Nice. So there's something about trading strategies. The market condition can determine the performance of a trading strategy or a trading robot. Okay, you can see that now we've made some recovery, and then we have $26 in profit here. So I think this strategy is not bad. Okay, something that can still be worked on, can be optimized. So when I send you this trading robots, all you can do is you can test it on any other pairs that you want. It doesn't necessarily has to be gold. Okay, you can set the test on any other pair. It's not bad. We have $98 now in profit. Okay, $98 now in profit. So yeah, guys, so that's just it for today. So if you have any requests, drop it in the comment section. I'll be in the comment section to oblige or answer any of your requests. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notification. My next video is a video or a trading robot I created a smart money concept trading robot that has to do with order block, break of structure, and imbalance. Okay, so ensure you subscribe and also turn on post notifications so that when I upload the video, you can get to watch and see how this trading robot performs in real time. Okay, so until I see you guys next time, stay safe and have a lovely day.